NASA and SpaceX agree to share data to avoid satellite collisions. Yahoo Movies Canada. Ontario to, finally, pull the plug on fax machines in public service. CBC.ca. NASA completes engine test firing of moon rocket on second try. Phys.org. 5 things you need to know about BC's updated vaccination rollout. Vancouver Sun. Health Canada says AstraZeneca vaccine is safe after investigating blood clot reports. Global News. Exclusive. Targeting Tesla, China's Geely to launch new premium EV brand. Sources: Yahoo Finance. Proposed Yonge North subway extension will see fewer stations, above-ground routes in bid to cut costs. CBC.ca. 5 top TSX stocks to buy right now with $500. The Motley Fool Canada. Tesla, TSLA and the Investment World. The Perpetual Investors Roundtable. Tesla Motors.